Here we come to the elevator at Lenoir Hall. I think that's how it's pronounced, but this is a dining facility. Anyways, this is at UNC in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. I think this is the Montgomery Kone. It doesn't say it, but it's gotta be Montgomery Kone, because the escalators are. Oh man, that fan is so obnoxious. 1998. So this is definitely Montgomery Kone. Go to U. M's the highest we can go. Oh, it's right there. Here's your phone. It's just your basic cab. There it goes. And that's it.